Hey gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dina, aka hello Miss Vivian. Oh my goodness, it is 2018. This is my very first video of 2018. Thank you guys so much for the journey. I love you guys so much. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how I made this gorgeous faux fur phone case. It is absolutely beautiful and super soft. Ooh. Alright, you're going to need a scissors, glue, and this I actually purchased as a purse, but I did end up dismantling it. You're going to need a case. I got that from Amazon, and the purse I actually got in stores. So as you can see on the gold area, I actually already put some crystals. I put pink and iridescent crystals on that gold area already. So now we're going to go ahead and get down to business. So now I'm just going to take that fur ball off just to make my life so much easier. So we're going to place that case inside, and we're going to cut out what the size we actually need. You can use a pen, a pencil, a marker, whatever works for you. And by the way, I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, the purse actually got in store, so I won't be able to leave a link down below. Sorry about that, guys. Now you're just going to go ahead and use the scissors to cut out the excess that you don't need. So the next step now is actually to cut. We have a couple of holes that we need to cut out, like the camera area, the charging point, and the power point. So we're going to mark that area and cut that out as well. So now I'm going in with my X-Acto knife because I am I am going to also go with my scissors, but just to make a little hole or something, I'm using that first. You don't have to, you could just use scissors right away. And as you all know, 99% of my DIYs that you see here, I'm going to leave a link down below if you want to purchase it, if you don't want to get your hands dirty. As usual, I already got mine dirty for you. I'm going to leave a link down below where you could purchase it, you know. And yeah. And for those that have been supporting me, thank you guys so much. I love you guys. I love you guys so much. Alrighty, then now we're going to add our glue to the back of the phone case. You could actually just put a lump in the middle and use a brush to spread it out, but I couldn't find my brush, so I just, I'm gonna gently place that in the middle and press the material against the phone case. Okay, so right here, because we don't want the fur to be, to cover the lens while taking pictures and whatnot, so I'm gonna kind of trim down that area a little bit, Now I'm gonna go back here with my cutie pie fur ball and attach that back together, and look, we have a beautiful phone case. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. And look at that gorgeous blue. Okay, so the one with the pink one, that's the iPhone, for the iPhone X, and the blue one is actually for Samsung Galaxy 8 Plus. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.